I am Laura and today I'm going to show you my room. This is my room. First of all, I have my wardrobe to my shoes, boots, trainers. Next to it, I have my wardrobe to keep all my clothes. For example, t-shirt, jackets, dresses. Here I have some boxes to keep my brother toys and a hula hoop. Here you can see my bed. There is a big teddy bear and a full of cushions. Next to my bed, I have my bedside table, and there is a lamp, a candle, a photo when I was little, and some bracelets. And in this place, I have my mirror. In this part, I have my desk, and in my desk, there are some pencils, books, a little plant, and a radio, and my mobile phone. And here I have some pictures of me, and this is my favorite. And that's all. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to see you in my next video. Bye!